Why is it that some guys effortlessly attract high-quality girls while others struggle even to initiate a conversation? The ones facing difficulties often become bitter and desperate, placing blame on the girls. In reality, they are making excuses for not being good enough. Instead of pointing fingers, I offer you the opportunity to gain an edge with 6 simple rules that make you magnetic to women. Let's explore these principles, ensuring you don't end up spending a fortune on unnecessary measures like expensive hair transplants or ineffective solutions. Firstly, offer something valuable. Contrary to the belief that girls have unattainable expectations, it's not about genetics or having a massive bank account. Look at examples like boxers who achieve success through dedication and hard work rather than extraordinary looks or wealth. Secondly, avoid being needy. Needy behavior communicates a lack of self-respect and self-confidence. High-value men don't seek constant attention and validation. They hold their own and don't come across as dependent. Thirdly, embrace high energy. Women are attracted to confident men with positive energy, not those seeking attention or fooling around. Increase your testosterone levels through healthy competition, proper sleep, and nutrition. Fourthly, be charismatic. Charismatic men are liked and perceived as powerful. Actively listen, engage people, and maintain relaxed body language to boost your charisma. Fifthly, be stoic. Focus on what you can control, your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Adopting a stoic attitude creates inner strength and confidence, making you more stable and reliable in the eyes of others. Lastly, navigate social situations effectively. You don't need to fit into every group, but set boundaries and protect yourself from any discomfort. A real man stands up for himself mentally and physically, understanding others' behavior while maintaining self-respect. By following these principles, you'll enhance your attractiveness and avoid unnecessary pitfalls in your journey to becoming magnetic to women. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, stay charming and confident. Peace out.